Hey guys, I'm Daniel of Pinoy Techno Guide, and I'm excited for the new Huawei P20 Lite because it offers the gorgeous design of the company's flagship P20 phones in a more affordable package. Let's unbox this smartphone and see if it really looks good and performs smoothly. We'll take a look at the contents of the box, the phone's design, initial performance, and a few sample pictures. Take note that I am unboxing a pre-release unit of the Huawei P20 Lite, hence the accessories inside the box isn't complete. The box itself comes in white with gold prints. Lifting one part of the box immediately reveals the phone while an inner box lies below it. Presumably this will contain the SIM ejector tool, warranty certificate, and quick start guide. Underneath there's the free earphones, charger, and USB Type-C cord. The charger has a rated output of 9 volts and 2 amperes, which means it's a fast charger. The first word that comes to mind upon holding the Huawei P20 Lite for the first time is compact. It's a handy smartphone that will only require one hand to operate most of the time. It has a metal and glass sandwich design with stunning sheens on the back thanks to some glitter cover film. The main ports are at the bottom while the buttons are on the right side. Of course, you can't miss the 5.84-inch notch display with rounded corners, curved edges, and a tall 19:9 aspect ratio. The bezels on the sides and at the top are all narrow, with the notch necessary to house the selfie camera, earpiece, and proximity sensors. There's also an LED notification light at the very top of the device. The notch is not that distracting since the screen itself is already pretty tall. It's not that wide too since it doesn't have the extra sensors of the iPhone X, and Android apps have already started supporting the feature. In terms of performance, the Huawei P20 Lite performs smoothly out of the box. EMUI 8 looks neat and clean, while swiping across apps and scrolling down websites are free of hiccups. I'll test the phone further to get a better picture of its performance. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Meanwhile, here are some initial sample pictures I took using the Huawei P20 Lite.